Now you just had a glimpse of Kazakhstan. Now recently Kazakhstan has become a very popular visiting spot for the Muslims. Inshallah, I think we should all try to make an effort to visit Kazakhstan. And now, group of Halal Tours, they can arrange a trip. They can look after you. Part of the Kazakhstan trip, you'll also go to Russia as well, right? So please contact a group of Halal Tours at www.groupohalaltours.com. We will come back. A few words from our sponsors. See you later. Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. Now, today I'll not be cooking. You see, I don't have apron today. Somebody else will be doing the cooking today. Well, let me tell you something about this brother. I've known this brother for quite a number of years. And he's a builder developer. And he's based in the Gold Coast. And he does a lot of projects. He's involved in domestic, commercial projects. And he's not just a builder developer. He's also an MBA graduate from one of the prestigious universities in Australia. He can be hot and cold, but he has a heart of gold. Why a heart of gold? He's involved in community projects as well. Now at the moment in Gold Coast, he's involved in two projects. One is the Warangari Community Center, which he's been involved throughout the project, and he's doing extremely well there. And also, he's also involved in the construction of Islamic Cultural Center, which we call it Gold Coast Islamic Cultural Center, adjacent to our Arundel Masjid. And he's the builder. And very soon we're getting there. And he's been involved from the design to the building as well. And may Almighty Allah bless him. Now, his company is known as New Queensland Development. And the gentleman that I'm talking about, my good brother, none other than Leon Jordan. Assalamu alaikum, Leon. How are you? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. I like to see you in suit, man.
Thank you, man.
Whenever I see him in jeans and t-shirt. Why? Because he's doing the construction at the masjid. So, Alhamdulillah, I'm glad to see you. Thank you for coming to the show.
Thank you so much.
And I must add one more thing. He's been my number one friend from day one.
Wow.
He loves my cooking, and I said, well, why don't you come and do one for yourself? So here it is today.
Thank you.
So,
Thank you
all
for
right,
having us.
we'll be back soon with the cooking. Now, Leon, I like your smile, man. I really like your smile. He loves food, just like me. He loves food just like me.
We can tell.
All right, Leon.
Yes.
Please introduce this food, these ingredients that you have.
All right, very quickly. So we have some chickpeas.
Yes.
We boiled them for about probably 3-4 minutes.
Right.
You get these in a can. You get them from any sort of delicatessen, predominantly Arab sort of Middle Eastern delicatessens.
Yeah.
We have here some ful.
Yes.
Which in English is fava beans.
Yeah.
Same thing. We boil them for a bit of cumin, bit of salt, cumin. Sorry. Also, you can get that from a Middle Eastern store.
When you say cumin, it's cumin powder. Right? Cumin, is that right? Cumin
Correct.
powder? Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cumin powder.
Yeah.
We have some coarse chopped parsley.
Yeah.
Some chili,
Yeah.
red and green for some color.
Yes.
Medley of tomatoes there.
Okay.
We have some coriander.
Right.
Some extra virgin olive oil.
Right.
Tahini.
Yes.
Some minced garlic.
Yes.
Some more finely chopped parsley.
Right.
We've got some lemon juice.
Right.
And these are the accompaniments that will go with the food once we've prepared it. These two dips.
Okay, Leon, let me get it right. You're going to make two dishes, right?
Two dishes, okay?
Okay.
So one is all Middle Eastern based
Right.
dishes.
Right. Okay. Now, this section here will be after you made the dishes, we'll eat with it.
Correct.
Okay, good. Now you got the point. This is Middle Eastern food. Specifically, which part of the Middle East?
Okay, very good. So I'm Palestinian myself.
Okay.
So I'll be making a dish called msabaha, which is a combination of ful and hummus pureed together.
Right.
With a bit of garlic, lemon, tahini, and some garnish on top. The other one is, the Palestinians do it too, but it is a Lebanese-inspired dish.
Okay.
The lady who taught me how to cook all this food, my mother told me that.
Well, I have to add you there. You know, lady, the mothers are the best cook. Where I learned my cooking? From my lovely mother. Alhamdulillah. May Allah bless her. And also your mom. Bless your mom.
Ameen,
too.
ameen,
Yes,
ameen,
yes.
ameen. The second dish is, you can call it, it's a bit of a combination between a salad and a dip, if you like. So,
Okay, good. Okay, my mouth is already watering now, so we'll start cooking. All
Let's-
right?
let's do it.
Okay,
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Okay, let's go
Lovely.
back. All right. Well, watch out. Keep an eye how Leon's going to make his salad. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, here we go. So we'll take the food. I like to leave a little bit of the water that I boil with it, just to give it a bit of, just a bit of wetness, I guess.
Yes.
So we'll put thing there. Remember, we want to make 2 of these, so we'll use not all of it, but we'll use most of it, I guess. Now, so the next bit, let's throw some parsley. As we go, look, I'll do everything by feel, so we'll see how much. We'll put some of that in. I don't take the stems
Well,
out.
audience, I saw him. He washed his hand before he used it. As you know, in Islam, cleanliness is very, very important. So he washed his hand before he used it. So don't worry.
A good chef always uses his hands.
Okay.
And clean hands, that is.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we will go with, so we've put the parsley in.
Yes.
Let's go with the medley of tomatoes, lovely
Right.
colours, as
Right.
you can see there. Some chili.
Oh,
Now,
man, how much chili are you going to put there? Listen, you know me. I love chili. I love chili. But some of my kids won't be able to eat chili. Okay, what do you think, cameraman? Do you think we should put some chili or not? No? How much are you going to put?
look, for me, more the merrier.
Okay.
The more the merrier.
All right. I think just put half of it. Let's go half.
But we'll go halves because we're going to use the other half for the garnish for
All
the
right.
for the
All right.
some
Good,
half.
good.
So we'll sprinkle some. Look, for me, I
Come closer. Come closer.
I
How
like-
see?
I
Look
like
at that. Look at that. Hey, now you don't start using the word. Look at that.
I can tell you, as I was preparing, I used it a few times. Okay, so chili's in. All right, now we get some garlic.
Yes.
Minced garlic. I mixed this up with some Himalayan salt, so we put that in there. Again, more the merrier. When it comes to garlic, lemon, olive oil, and chili,
Yeah.
for me, more the merrier.
Okay.
Okay, so now we go with some lemon. Like I said, I love lemon. Let's put some. Now, coriander, a lot of people might not use it.
Yes.
I love coriander.
Right.
So we'll put a little bit of coriander. It's a strong flavour.
I can smell it. I can really smell it.
Okay.
The aroma, strong aroma with all this mixture.
So
Okay.
now we've got some liquid gold,
Liquid gold.
some olive oil.
Yes.
Very blessed.
Olive is a healthy stuff. Anything healthy. And look at that salad. Look at that.
Now we got the final bit here.
Okay.
So we just drizzle some tahini over this. We don't want too much in there, just a
Right,
little bit,
right.
just for that nutty flavour
Right.
that the tahini gives.
Yes.
I'll make a mess
I'll do with that. No
of,
problem. Okay.
of the brother's kitchen.
Okay, now-
Okay. So now, it's here. Mix all the garlic. Now, what I like to do sometimes
Yes.
is just to get a bit of different texture in there.
Well, we have protocol and etiquette in our program.
So you can give it a bit of a, don't be shy, mash it up a bit, so it's a
Yeah.
little bit boiled, get a bit of texture in there,
Right.
and then you gotta mix it.
Those who at home, you can use your hand. You can wash your hand and do it. But you see, here we have to follow an etiquette. So
No,
that's how
you,
you.
you won't mix that with your hand. It's not like a salad. You'll get tahini all over it.
Tahini. Yeah. Okay.
Especially when you got rings
All
and,
right.
and bling on.
Yeah.
But either way, we'll mix that around. Now, we need some salt. Yeah, we're gonna need a bit of that. We need a bit of black pepper. This is all from Grupo Resources.
That is group for halal foods.
I have to taste it.
Yes.
Before you taste it.
Okay.
It's a bit, there's too much tahini in there. What I like to do, right, let me just try that. I think I'll put a little bit more lemon. Like I said, I like
So that's a gist or something.
a little bit of lemon, just a bit of sour.
Okay. Now we're going to the second dish by Leon. Now, before I go to the second dish, you see, Leon, my sponsors told me that you bought a couple of these bottles of SIDR honey.
I did actually. I bought 3 of them.
Yes.
I saw that. I saw you advertising them.
Yes.
And I saw that it was from Yemen.
Ah.
And I love honey. I love bees. And I said I've got to get myself some. Coincidentally enough, I had two of my 3 kids were sick. I was starting to get sick. When this arrived, beautiful packaging and everything else. We will take it probably every second day. And I'll tell you, the kids within the week felt much better, including myself. So yes, I'm not just saying it because it's our brother over here, but it's very good honey, and you know, the honey that comes from Yemen is very renowned. So.
Okay, the sponsors never paid him to say that. This is true fact. I've been telling you it's the best honey. I've been telling you it's a roll syrup honey. It's a lot of medicinal powers. So go ahead and order it from the website. Inshallah. Okay, now back to the cooking.
Okay, so now we're doing sabaha. So we want to do a mixture, like I said.
Right.
Remember, this has already got kamun in it.
Right.
I like to add a little bit more sometimes not. But look, let's just put it all in.
Right. Okay.
Because mashallah, brother Hussein has got some beautiful children here that love this, and my kids did say to me, Daddy, bring some home with you. So let's just put it all in there.
Lots of vitamins. Good for kids. Lots of vitamins.
Absolutely.
Natural. It's all natural food.
Okay, so now we've got that there. Now, I like to put a little bit of water in it. Consistently, we'll probably keep doing that.
Right.
Put a little bit of lemon.
Right.
I need that salt and pepper again.
Salt and pepper. Okay.
If we can borrow that. Now, I'm going to put a little bit of garlic. My kids don't really like garlic, so I don't inside it. So in this dish, so or even when I make hummus, but because it's so good for you, I sneak it in there. The magic ingredient when you're making hummus, chickpeas is hummus, or this particular sabaha is of course tahini. It's very important that the beans are not warm or too hot, because the tahini will go all funny. It'll sort of break up.
Okay, so that has to be cool. All have to be cool before you put the tahini in it.
Correct. I'm going to put a bit of salt in there, Himalayan salt. Okay. Now we need some pepper. So like I said, the more the merrier. I love the bits and pieces you put in here.
Right.
Now again, most people probably don't do this, but I like to put a bit of olive oil as I'm going to mix all this together. So we've got the fava beans, the chickpeas, the tahini, salt and pepper, and some lemon, a bit of garlic, some more olive oil.
Right.
So we'll put that there.
Now, Leon, what are you going to do now?
All right, now I'm going to mix it all together. So I'm going to blend it all together.
All right.
I've got my trusty bar mix.
Okay.
I think I got this 10 years ago from one of the stores for $10, $20. So it's a pretty easy dish.
It's still working good?
And it's still doing the job. Now just be careful.
Yes.
You don't want those little holes exposed, because our lovely suits will get splattered on. So you want to be under there.
Right.
So what we'll do, a little bit of water in there. Also add the rest of that olive oil.
Right. Just mix it. We don't waste food here, so whatever is remaining, we fill it up. Now, you have made into a paste. What next, Leon?
Okay, beautiful. So now we're going to dish it up.
Yes.
So let's go with the edges here.
Viewers, you can't smell. I can smell the aroma, mashallah. Really smells good. Really smells good.
See that consistency?
Look at the consistency, that's right.
Not too thick, you know?
Yes.
So we get that.
Okay.
A bit of a valley inside, if you like.
Yeah.
A bit of a barrier on the inside. Now what we want to do, we would like to first put olive oil in the center there. Mate, you can drench this if you like with olive oil, depending on your preference. I like to drench it, but that's okay. It's half decent. Now what I like to do is I like to make a bit of a garnish. Again, some more chilies, a bit of the finely chopped parsley, garlic, some lemon. I have this every Sunday.
Really healthy stuff. Look at that. All natural. Ideal vegetarian dish.
A bit of that salt, the Himalayan salt. There you go, not too much. A bit of cracked pepper.
Yes.
Now with this here, what we do.
Look at the garnish. Look at that.
Mix it all together.
Mashallah, Leon, look at that. Cameraman, come on, look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Look how beautiful it is. Look at here. Come on, cameraman, come closer. Take a continuous shot. Come on. Focus here, please. Focus, yes. Come on over here. Okay. Leon has done a marvelous job. Look at that, all vegetarian food, and it's healthy. Look at the natural ingredient that he have used. Mashallah, mashallah. Now the next step is to taste the food. Now, who's better to serve the food? Leon himself. Leon, come on.
All right, so what do we want to do here? So there's obviously there's two different. This one here, a bit of that.
Right.
Right.
Okay.
You can have this with tea. You can have this with some scrambled eggs.
Mashallah, mashallah.
We'll have some of this one here. So we'll, depending where you want it from, you can get it from the side, from the top. So just put it over here. Right. That oil.
Right.
So every Sunday it's there. Have a bit of it on the side there.
Right.
Have a bit of a bite just if you wanted to.
Right.
So there you go, sir. Thank you, brother.
Audience, I'm going to try. All this time I've been cooking and others been tasting my food. Now it's my turn to taste others' food. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Just wait. Very strong flavor. Let me try this as well. Words cannot express. Why? This taste is dispersing from north, south, east, and west. It's a palate, isn't it?
It's
all about
Yeah.
for different taste buds in my tongue. It's like it is fulfilling all the taste buds in my tongue. Really good. Now, let me try with the steak here. Bismillah.
Great for functions and family get-togethers.
Leon, this is what you make on weekends
Every Sunday.
for barbecue?
If this is breakfast.
This breakfast, huh?
This is breakfast. Breakfast, and you can graze through the day for it.
I can have breakfast every day for this. All right. Now you see? You saw how Leon made this food? And please do not leave. We'll be back very soon. We just had the marvelous dishes by Leon. I loved it. I didn't have it for a long time. But this is special because it is Palestinian, Lebanese inspired dishes. Man, Leon, thank you so much for coming. It's very kind of you.
No worries.
I mean, this is excellent food.
Thank you.
And please, audience out there, watch him how he made it and make it for yourself. And of course, it's not be the last time him coming. I'm going to invite him more and more. Now, before you go, Leon, there is something I need to give to you.
Yes, sir.
Young man, can you please come over, please?
Oh, wow.
Thank you, young man. Thank you. Leon, the effort that you made is worth it. I really love the food. Since I love the food, you deserve one of these appreciation award. On behalf of the Baba's Halal Kitchen team, I would like to present this award, appreciation award to you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. We hope to see you again
Thank you.
soon. Okay, thank you
I
very
look
much.
forward to it. Thank
Remember his name is Leon Jordan. That's what it says, Leon Jordan. All right? Okay, I don't know how he got his name Jordan, but it's Leon Jordan. Okay, all right. Thank you very much. And inshallah, I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye. Assalamu alaikum.